Leftover McNuggets never tasted this good. It's like a takeout from a restaurant. Let's start by sauteing onions and garlic, mushrooms, carrots, red and green bell peppers, and steamed broccoli, or you can use your favorite vegetables. When the veggies are almost done, add half of the chopped green onions. Then add the sliced McNuggets. Make sure to heat up the nuggets in the toaster oven until it's crispy. Then put your favorite sauce. I used Panda Express teriyaki sauce. You can also use sweet and sour or sweet red chili sauce. Mix everything until the sauce is hot. For the meat, you can also use chicken breast, steak, ground beef, or ground turkey. When it's done, put it in a bowl on top of the rice. Then put green onions and sesame seeds on top. And it's done. Now it's teriyaki chicken rice bowl. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!